let me show you how to fix those washout screenshots on your Mac. Open up your settings and head to display. Here you will need to check your color profile. I recommend to use sRGB. That should solve 99% of your problems. So switch the color profile and try again with this brand new color profile. This should give you the one-to-one color accuracy screenshots. If you got still problem that are a bit like bright or washout, then you will need to search for a specific solution for your setup, for your operating system and your MacBook. I hope this method helped you out. I will see you in the next one.